The variable speed control lever on my Kitchenaid stand mixer is hard to move from the off position, or any other position for that matters. I often end up pushing the lever so hard that the lever ends up in a faster speed position than what I want and the contents of bowl fly out. Is this a problem that I can remedy myself, especially since I am finding that small appliance repair shops are close to non-existent near where I live?
Hello and thank you for using this service. The switches do go bad. You will have to take the mixer apart to replace the switch. It is not that bad to get a part, and you can order a new switch for your mixer at http://www.airreplacementparts.com/ You just need to remove the screws that hold the labeled band on the mixer. Under that there will be 4 screws to get the cover off. The switch is right there and fairly straightforward to replace. Please read below before leaving. Thanks.
I will look into this remedy. I am not entirely convinced that the switch is the problem, or if maybe it's just a lubrication issue since the unit is not that old. If it is just a lubrication problem, what would you recommend as a lubricant and where to lubricate?
That switch should not need anything. If it is newer, that switch gets sticky, but you really should not spray anything in it as it may not work at all.
All right. I will get to the mixer when I can, as soon as I can. The information you have given me thus far makes sense.
Okay, great.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.